Swadika, it's time now for the evening edition of NBT World Brief, right here on NBT and NBT World. You're with me, Nawarat Wong Araya. Registration for the Thais Help Thais Plus co-payment program will begin at 6 a.m. tomorrow as part of efforts to ease living costs and stimulate the economy. Under the scheme, 60% of the value of purchases will be subsidized, while program participants will pay the remaining 40%. Citizens in Uthai Thani were enthusiastic about tomorrow's registration under the Thais Help Thais Plus program, with most having already verified their identity through the PHANG mobile application. Meanwhile, sellers who participated in various co-payment schemes also expressed enthusiasm, saying their sales more than doubled during each iteration of the co-payment program. The sellers indicated they have already visited the bank to update their information, so the mobile application installed on their phone would be ready to receive payments by QR codes. In Bungkan Province, Krung Thai Bank's Bungkan branch operated a special service point to facilitate convenience for members of the public and vendors who wanted to participate in the Thais Help Thais Plus 60/40 program. Advice about the PHANG app were given, while sellers were able to open an account tied to the Thung Ngeun app for merchants. People have been arriving at the bank branch even before it opened at 8:30 a.m. in the morning. And the Ministry of Digital Economy and Society has indicated that Thailand Post has been contributing to the Thais Help Thais policy to reduce living costs by functioning as a distribution mechanism for well-priced consumer staples. Nan Buntida Somchai, Deputy Minister of Digital Economy and Society, inspected the operations of Thailand Post Company Limited in aspects relevant to the implementation of the government's Thais Help Thais living cost reduction policy. The Deputy Minister placed emphasis on Thailand Post supporting the Thais Help Thais drive by functioning as a distribution mechanism for economically priced consumer staples. And the aim was to enable citizens in various locations to easily access well-priced consumer products while leveraging consumers' brand loyalty and confidence in Thailand Post's ability to deliver quality items without damage or loss during transportation. The Deputy DE Minister indicated that Thailand must or may expand its services and create greater awareness among consumers by working with state sector agencies such as the Community Development Department, which can help with sourcing OTOP products and community products. It was also noted that products by SMEs are being distributed through the Thailand Post Mart online platform. Meanwhile, the Deputy Transport Minister has ordered the closure of the unauthorized railway crossing in Bangkok's Lat Krabang area, where one motorist was killed by a train last night. A cargo train struck a motorcycle at an unauthorized railway crossing about 30 minutes past midnight. Officials at the scene indicated that a woman had rode her motorcycle through the crossing onto the rail track when cargo train number 4403 was passing through. Officials said the unauthorized railway crossing in question lacked any barriers. Siripong Angkasakunkia, Deputy Minister of Transport, said the crossing involved a concrete slab laid on the ground, which is used by locals as a path for motorcycles and bicycles. There has been a previous accident at this spot, and attempts have been made by authorities to seal off the unauthorized crossing point. However, some local communities resisted the attempts, as motorcycle and bicycle users would then need to use detours. Mr. Siripong said the crossing point must now be closed off until greater safety standards are achieved. Meanwhile, the State Railway of Thailand has been ordered to survey unauthorized railway crossings nationwide to determine measures that would prevent future accidents. Furthermore, the Ministry of Transport will enforce railway-related laws more stringently from now on. The Department of Disease Control has reported on the current dominant strain of COVID-19 in Thailand, noting that about 3,600 confirmed cases have been found so far this year. Dr. Montian Kanasawat, Director General of the Department of Disease Control, elaborated that 12,700 infections were reported in Singapore between May 10th and the 16th, and that's up from approximately 8,000 cases the previous week. The main circulating variant was NB.1.8.1, and for the situation in Thailand, data from the disease surveillance system indicated a cumulative total of 3,642 confirmed cases and 1 death for the entire 2026 year. In addition, the Department of Medical Sciences has determined that NB.1.8.1 was the dominant variant circulating in Thailand, accounting for 50.95% of samples. The variant has increased transmissibly and improved immune evasion, but there is still no evidence that it causes more severe illness compared to previous variants. The Department of Disease Control emphasized that although COVID-19 is now endemic, with reduced severity and a declining outbreak trend, balanced measures consistent with the new normal lifestyle must still be maintained. This includes washing hands frequently, covering the mouth and nose when coughing or sneezing, avoiding crowded places or wearing a mask when entering such areas, and avoiding close contact with people showing respiratory symptoms. And a rare and encouraging discovery has been reported in PHANG with a leatherback turtle, the world's largest sea turtle, and an endangered marine species found nesting in the Khao Lampi Hat Thai Mueang National Park. According to the Department of Marine and Coastal Resources, the female leatherback turtle came ashore near a National Park Protection Unit in the Khao Lampi Hat Thai Mueang National Park in PHANG and laid 119 eggs. Among these, 99 were viable eggs and 20 were infertile eggs. Officials implanted a microchip for future monitoring and collected samples of mucus, blood, eggs, and sand from the nesting site for health and genetic research. Aerial drone footage recorded the commitment by all personnel involved in the nighttime operation, with the party comprising National Park officials, personnel from Marine National Park Education and Research Center 2, and veterinarians from Siritan Marine Endangered Animals Rescue Center. As the nest was in an area vulnerable to tidal flooding and predation, authorities have relocated the eggs to a safer location and set up an enclosure to improve the hatchlings' chances of survival. The discovery is welcomed as positive news for marine conservation in Thailand and highlights the importance of continued protection of endangered sea turtle habitats along the Andaman coast. And that is it for our evening edition of NBT World Brief. You can stay updated with the latest developments right here on NBT and NBT World. And for more stories, simply scan the QR code on your screen to access our full coverage across all media platforms. Until next time, I'm Nawarat Wong Araya. Swadee ka.